Hi everyone, welcome back to a new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how we create ECS through the Terraform. In this video, I am going to show you how we create a 6 ECS through the 6 services on through the Terraform. So in this lecture, we know what is Terraform and what is infrastructure as a code, how does the Terraform work, and how to install Terraform on our PC, and about Docker. So all documents I give in this video description box. So this documents in this description box, and so let's go on our code. So this is my code. Okay, this is my 6 services, clusters, IAM role and variables, and this is IAM role. Okay, and load balancer provider, S3 bucket, security group, VPC, and my YouTube link, and also a build spec YML at Terra. So this is my files. Okay, and this is my Docker containers. These are the 5 services we are creating. So this is my first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and this is build spec YML on for this services. Okay, so firstly we talk about the all services. Okay, this is my code. This is resource we are creating a AWS ECS task. So my defined task name is task, and the family with task, and we are using a AWS VPC as a network mode, and CPU and memory we are using 256 CPU and memory is 512 MB. Okay, so this is ARN role, and this is all services we are providing, and this is my AWS ECS services. So we are creating 6 services. So this is service 1, and my clusters, and this is network configuration. We are creating a load balancer, resources are code build my project is and Docker build 1. Okay, and this is all environment logs, S3 logs, and sources. Though in this video, in this project, we are using source like as a GitHub. So this is my GitHub repository link. Okay, and so this is my GitHub repository. We are creating AWS pipeline. So we are creating 6 pipeline. So 6 pipeline in this project. We are using 6 pipeline in this services. Okay, so our direct source is S3 and source and third party GitHub repository. So GitHub is connected to our S3 bucket, and this is repo my Docker 6 services. So this is my Docker 6 services. Okay, so now we are built and then deploy. This is my build code, and this is my deployment code. We are stage in deploy. Okay, and this is our resource AWS auto scaling target. So we are creating auto scaling also in this project, for this project, and auto scaling policies. These are 2 policies in this project. This is we are creating using CloudWatch metrics alarm and CloudWatch metrics, CPU low and CPU high. Both cases we are take notification. So we are creating take a notification from CPU high and CPU low users. So this type we are creating a total 5 services. Okay, all services are came, only service name and task name is changing. Okay, so this is my all services. Okay, so so we are creating all services in one code. This is my all services. Then second is cluster. This is a cluster. So we are using ECR1, ECR2, ECR3, ECR4, ECR5, and ECR6 cluster. So total 6 cluster we are using in this project. So resources is AWS ECR cluster, and name is ECR cluster dev. Okay, then next is documentation. We are providing link. Okay, this is IAM and variable. This is our variable environment we are deploying, deployment environment we are using, and variable artifact bucket name. This my bucket name is 𝑭𝒐𝒍𝒍𝒐𝒘 task, and data is AWS IAM role. Okay, so this is my IAM role. So next one is IAM TF. In this IAM define a role of IAM. IAM role is cold built roles. Okay, so cold built role we are define the version, statement, policies, and source of IAM role policies, and these are the action we are using in this. Okay, so IAM role 2 IAM role we are using in this video. So this is my load balancer. Load balancer is providing a balance of the load of the targets. So this is my load balancer target group 0, and target group load balancer LB listener group and target group, and this is application load balancer. Okay, so two type of target group we are using. Okay, two no, actually 5 target group we are using, and we are listener group is 4. Okay, this is my all. So this is my load balancer, application load balancer. Security group is AWS security group ID, and target group and port name is AT, protocol is HTTP we are using, and define actions type is forward, and target group is AWS LB target group. Okay, so target group 0. Yeah, so this type of load balancer we are using, application type load balancer. And this is my provider. Okay, there's S3 bucket. This is my S3 bucket name is already I defined on the previous project, previous file, and this is my tag name. Okay, so this is our security group VPC. This is my VPC security group SG1, and ingress and egress we are defining. So for more know about the security group S3 VPC and VPC, so you can check my previous videos. I am defining VPC security group in the previous videos. So go on the build spec files. So this is my build spec file. This is I defined the commands, pre-build, build commands, and post-build commands, and artifacts. So we are using six services we are defined already. So this is my 6 services, and this service is JSON file, and this commands of post-build. So we are using this code docker push command we are using. Okay, and docker tagging name is this, and docker pre-build is this command we are using. Okay, I am using build spec YML file version is 0.2 in this way. So this is my all services, and for more know about how do we create and how we use and how we start the file. So for this, go to my this documentation. So you are know about the Terraform, how we work on it, and Docker, how we work on that Docker, and how we create this project. So for this you can use this documentation. So thank you, and you learn many more from this video. And for more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and you can subscribe to the channel of ring the notification and bell icon to get notification of every time, and we can post here on our all contact and website and phone number. So subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.